Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Today, we're taking a look at Unity, a powerful platform found at unity.co.uk. This robust tool offers a comprehensive suite of features for creating interactive 2D and 3D content, making it a favorite among game developers, architects, filmmakers, and automotive designers alike. Its versatility extends beyond these industries, finding applications in fields like engineering, construction, and even medical training. The platform is renowned for its user-friendly interface, enabling both beginners and seasoned professionals to navigate its functionalities with relative ease. Unity's real-time 3D development platform allows users to create stunning visuals and immersive experiences, pushing the boundaries of interactive content creation. Whether you're crafting the next hit mobile game, designing a breathtaking architectural visualization, or developing cutting-edge training simulations, Unity provides the tools and resources to bring your vision to life. Explore the wide array of possibilities by visiting unity.co.uk and discover how this platform can empower your creative endeavors. With a vibrant community and extensive documentation, support is readily available, further enhancing the user experience. From its intuitive interface to its powerful rendering capabilities, Unity remains a leading choice for those seeking to create interactive and engaging content across diverse industries. Discover the power of Unity today and see how it can revolutionize your workflow. Don't forget to check out their website for more information and resources at unity.co.uk. They offer a variety of licensing options to suit different needs and budgets, so be sure to explore which option best fits your project. Unity is constantly evolving, with regular updates and new features being added to stay at the forefront of real-time 3D development. It's a truly dynamic platform that empowers creators to push the limits of their imagination.